In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book free cancellation hotels in Skyscanner. Start by opening the Skyscanner website and heading straight to the hotels section. This takes you to the hotel search page, which is the hub for everything we'll do next. In the search bar, type the place you want to visit. Make sure the spelling is right, and if Skyscanner suggests a specific area or city, pick the one that best matches your plans. Next, choose your check-in date, then your checkout date. Be careful here. Free cancellation often depends on the exact dates, so it helps to be as certain as possible. Now add the number of guests traveling. If your party size changes frequently, remember you can come back and adjust this before you finalize anything. Go ahead and hit search. You'll see results load for your destination and dates. On the left-hand side, look for the filters panel and open it. Find the option for free cancellation and tick that box. This is the key step. It narrows your list to properties that allow you to cancel without a fee within their stated window. After selecting it, click Show Results so Skyscanner refreshes with only the free cancellation choices. Now browse the filtered list. You're looking for a hotel that also highlights a Reserve Now, Pay Later type of message. This usually means you can secure the room today and pay at the property, as long as you meet the cancellation deadline. When you found a good match, select it to continue. Skyscanner will typically redirect you to a trusted booking partners page to finish the reservation. On the partner page, choose Select Your Room to view the available room types and policies. Pick the option that clearly includes free cancellation and then click Reserve. When the payment options appear, choose Pay at Property. This keeps your upfront charge at zero while still guaranteeing your room. You'll be asked who's checking in. Enter the guest details exactly as they appear on a valid ID. You'll also add reservation card details. Even with Pay at Property, a card is often required to hold the booking and may be temporarily authorized, so use a card you're comfortable with. Before confirming, you should see a note like Book for P0 now, indicating there's no immediate charge. Before you wrap up, double check the cancellation policy and the exact cutoff time to avoid any fees. Save or screenshot the confirmation page and keep an eye on your email for the booking details. And that's it. Your free cancellation hotel is booked through Skyscanner with the flexibility to pay at the property.